Hey guys, Juan here, and in today's tech video I'm going to show you guys how to channel scan for any kind of channels on maybe like an antenna or cable on your Samsung TV. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process and how to do this. Okay, so right now I am on the YouTube app on my channel. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab your remote control. Okay, and on your remote control here, go ahead and press the home button. Okay, now your channel menu may look a little different depending on which year of Samsung TV that you have. This one here, it has like a white look to it. Some of them may be a blue or a different shade of color. But anyways, they will all have the same steps. So what you're going to want to do is, now that you have the home button pushed, and you're going to go all the way here to where it says source, and then go up to where that Samsung TV icon is and press on that, because we're going to want to make sure that we're on the Samsung TV. But the next thing you're going to want to do is press on that home button again and then click over. Well, actually, let me turn the volume down on this. Alright, now we're going to click over to settings, and we're not going to push up. We're actually going to click enter on this. Okay, so it'll bring up this menu here, and what you're going to want to do is go on your directional pad and go down to where it says broadcasting and then click enter there. It'll bring up this option here that says auto programming. Go ahead and click on enter here. Okay, now it'll bring up this box here that says auto program, and it'll give you the options to start or cancel. What you want to do is click on start. Okay, now it'll ask you whether you're going to do it on air or cable. Okay, now so if you are using an antenna, then you're going to want to click on air, or if you're using cable TV and you're plugging into the back of your TV with a coax cable, then you would select that. Okay, select one of those and then click enter. And then you'll give it a moment to scan for all the channels that it has. It may take a minute or two depending on your location. Okay, so the channel scan is complete. As you can see, I was just scanning the TV Plus, which is a Samsung option there, but it shows me that I have 168 channels available. If you were scanning on the air, like at a TV antenna, it would show how many channels you have available there. But then you would click close, and you would start watching your content. Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.